Welcome back. In this video, we'll solve question 49. How to calculate the year-on-year growth rate for product sales using SQL. We are given an orders table. Each row represents a sales transaction, including customer number, product number, part number, order date, unit retail price, and shipped quantity. The business requirement is write a solution to calculate the year-on-year growth rate for the total spend of each product. The result table should include the following columns. Year, the year of the transaction. Product number and part number. The total spend for the current year. The total spend for the previous year. The year-on-year growth rate percentage, rounded to 2 decimal places. The output should look like this. For year 2020, product number 11497. Part number 721 had a spend of 23.52. Since there's no previous year, the previous year spend and year-on-year growth rate are null. In 2021, spend increased to 47.04, compared to 23.52 from the previous row. The growth rate is 50%. Similarly, later years show either positive or negative growth depending on the spend trend. Now let's see the solutions in SQL Server Management Studio. Solution 1 uses CTEs and the lag function. We first extract the year from the order date and calculate total spend by some aggregating function. Then group by product number, part number, and year. This gives us one row per product, part, and year. We apply the lag window function partitioned by product number and part number, and ordered by year. This fetches the previous row's spend. We calculate growth rate based on the formula of current year spend minus previous year spend and divided by current year spend. The where clause is to exclude rows where the current spend is 0. This query returns the current year spend, previous year spend, and growth rate for every product and part. Running it gives us 120,142 rows of results. We can also skip the first step and directly group by product number, part number, and year, as well as to compute total spend. There are only 2 common table expressions and the query is cleaner, more concise. However, the query with 3 common table expressions can be useful if you plan to reuse columns like unit retail and shipped quantity. Solution 2 solves the same problem using a CTE with row number and a self-join. Similarly, we first extract the year from the order date and calculate total spend. Group by product number, part number, and year to get one row per product, part, and year. The next step is to assign row numbers. We number the rows for each product and part in ascending order of year. We then join each row to the row with Rn equals Rn minus 1. This way, each row gets its immediate predecessor, just like lag. We use the same formula as in solution 1 to compute growth rate. And we keep only rows where the current year spend is greater than 0. Both approaches return the same result. The lag solution is shorter and easier to read. The self-join solution is useful when window functions are not available in your SQL environment. To wrap up, we extract year and compute spend. Use lag or self-join for previous year's spend. Apply growth rate formula. Order by product, part, and year. And that's how we calculate the year-on-year growth rate for product sales in SQL. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, subscribe, and share this channel. Thank you.